Hi guys, how are you and welcome to our YouTube channel Petergram Facts. Just imagine this. It's a foggy morning, the sun is sprinkling its shine on the massive trees, clear road and tall buildings. Henry came for a little walk along with his pet. Within a fraction of seconds, something had happened. Henry became numb and his pet was lying on the road with blood bleeding like a waterfall. Henry was picturizing this scene. While Henry and his pet were crossing the road, his pet rushed across the road and a truck has hit his pet ruthlessly. Without delay, Henry rushed to the vet and the doctor boomed the condition of the pet. It almost cost him $1,500 for his pet's surgery. Henry was running a middle-class family with little salary. He couldn't spend such a huge amount on his pet surgery, but fortunately, he has pet insurance, where the insurance provider would pay the treatment bill. Later, his pet recovered soon. Wow! Happy endings always give a blow of enthusiasm, don't they? But this may not be the situation for many pet owners. No one can guess what would happen in their next minute. Imagine, what would have happened if Henry had no pet insurance? He might have lost his charming pet, his best friend, and stress-out buster. But today, only 2% of the pet owners opt for pet insurance. And the rest 98% of the pet owners suffer badly when their pets suffer from severe injuries. So, pet insurance is indispensable. If you're still dazed about pet insurance, don't be. Let's dive into entire information on pet insurance. So what is pet insurance? Have you ever heard of health insurance? Pet insurance is similar to your health insurance. Like health insurance, in pet insurance also you have to pay a monthly premium. At times, when your pet has severe injuries, accidents or any other illness, you can recover the money from the insurance provider. There are several pet insurance providers. Each company differs from the other company in many ways, such as deductibility policies, enrolling policies, payouts that we would discuss later. Let's dive into types of pet insurance. There are different pet insurance policies depending on the various factors. The most common pet insurances are accident plans, pet wellness plans, lifetime plans, maximum benefit plans, and time-limited plans. Number 1. Accident-only plans. This plan gives coverage only in case of accidents or severe injuries of your pet. For instance, if your pet is suffering from any chronic disease, you get no coverage from this insurance policy, but works well for fractures or bone breaks. Number 2. Pet wellness plans. This insurance provider gives coverage for illness treatments. You get coverage from this plan for your pet health examinations or regular checks for flea, ticks, etc. Also, it includes the annual vaccinations. Number 3. Time-limited plans. This is based on time. Usually, the time limit would be 12 months or 365 days from the date of your pet's illness. The insurance provider gives coverage for the given period only. Later, you have to renew again. If in case your pet's illness is still not recovered after 12 months, then you're responsible for a further fee of your pet's treatment. However, maximum coverage would be $1,500. That would be sufficient in most of the cases. Number 4. Maximum benefit policies. It's almost similar to the time-limited policy, but the significant difference is maximum benefit policy is independent on time. Usually, the basic limit would be $1,500 and you can apply for reimbursement of money as many times as possible until you exceed the basic limit. Once you exceed the basic payment, then you're responsible to pay your pet treatment bill. Number 5. Lifetime policies. These are the most expensive as well as the most highly used policies. You have to pay a monthly premium a bit more than the others as it is lifelong covering policy. This type of policy is best suitable for pets that are suffering from chronic illnesses. So let's talk about it. Is insurance really worthy of it? Even the world's richest person or a scientist cannot estimate the next minute in their life, isn't it? Insurances are a boon when you need the money instantaneously to recover your pet from deadly situations. Pets usually have costlier treatments compared to humans. Within a moment, you might not be able to afford such a huge amount. Then, insurance providers come ahead to raise you. They cover for the treatment that you have saved in the form of monthly premiums. So, pet insurances are worthy. Be conscious while you're choosing the right one based on your pet's need. But how? How do you choose the right insurance provider for your pet? Here's the answer. Go watch it. How to choose the ultimate pet insurance. Choosing the dazzling and outstanding pet insurance is pretty simple. Just read the terms and conditions for the company and later compare to all the other companies. Then draw out the best. Also, make sure you carefully read the below sections to compare and choose the right insurance provider. Number 1. Enrollment rules. Usually, a young and healthy pet only qualifies for any plan or policy. Senior pets have the least or no chances of qualification to insurance sometimes. Many insurance providers share enrollment for pets aged 10 to 14 years. However, a few plans have no age limit, but many insurance providers consider the age of the pet as a crucial factor. Number 2. Total incidents and treatments coverage. Insurances allow reimbursement of money only for accidents or illnesses, but quite a few insurances let both illness and accident coverage. Also, several insurance providers that allow wellness plans, annual vaccinations, acupuncture, and chiropractic care for your pet on additional monthly premiums. So, make sure you well know about the incidents that they cover. Number 3. Payouts. A few plans don't let you know how much that they would pay in severe conditions, yet most insurance providers have the greatest payout at the worst times for your pet. Some offer a payout limit for 12 months, while the other providers may offer for 2 years. So it's also vital to know the payout limit. Number 4. Deductibles. Deductibility is a bit of money you pay for the company before it starts paying you. Once you pay the deductible at the insurance company, it would pay for you in drastic situations later. So, it's important to know all the maximum and minimum conditions of the company before you head off. Besides these, there are still few factors to glance at, such as discounts, the company's loyalty, pre-existing conditions. If you're crystal clear in your mind, it would be easier for you in later days. Also, it reduces the risk of fraudulent activities in the future. Pet insurances are worthy and at times raise you in maintaining healthier financial status in critical times, as Henry did to save his pet. What do you think are the other factors to consider? Share with us and join the discussion, and do like and subscribe to the channel and share the love on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching.